All right, everybody. This is your show. We're gonna still building it for you, as you can tell. We're looking at Salesforce today. We're gonna take a look at investor relations, which I'm loading up. We're gonna take a look at the earnings, and then we're also gonna take a look at financial calendar today, and we're gonna check any news on Salesforce. So all those things are coming up. I'm loading them. Had a heck of a time with some of our tech today. I'm gonna have to do a big refresh as well. So as I'm stalling and loading, remember this show is edutainment, education, entertainment, smash into one. It's not financial advice, everybody. So do your own research and obviously trade well. So I don't even know how much time I have but just by the music I can tell. All right, here we go. What up, social media world? My name's Alfred Gordon Liu. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now, just like that. Today we're talking about Salesforce. It is ticker CRM. It is part of the S&P 500, specifically information technology. So I have stalled enough. I'm loading up this. If you are an investor, you're coming to the investor relations page. This just loaded up perfectly. This is all the stuff that they do. You'll understand what they do better when you look at their website. Obviously, they have all their reports and earnings as well. If you want to stay up to date, you can add your email to their subscription list, and you'll get all these nice little emails about the company. But you came here for the charts. So if you're a buy and hold investor of Salesforce, let's see how it's done. It's had a high of 311. Shout out to my people at the city. And it's gotten to low as 350, so almost cut in half, more than cut in half. And now it's bounced back to 189 and doing a nice little bounce, trying to get back up to this moving average. So what are the opportunities? As these channels are happening, these candles are getting more narrow as it's bouncing up. That means it's losing power. You can see here, down, it's, if I can only speak, moving averages, the MACD, it's starting to lose momentum. As you can see, the candles are also getting smaller. Hopefully it'll turn green, kind of like this, getting smaller, boom, turn green. As you can see, it's move up until that time, and then diddle in the middle, and boom, turn green. But people are really dumping this stock at its all-time low. It's starting to curl back a little bit, but still at the lows. So let's see what the opportunities are as this stock is coming back to a moving average. We have our daily chart, and we're using our B bands. What the heck? That's not the right chart. Let's go switch that up. Yes, that's the chart. But it's so far away. I don't know why it's doing that. That's better. Thank you. And then let's zoom in here a little bit for you. And we got to zoom in here as well as we're looking in here. Perfecto. And then zoom. Come on now. Come on. There you go. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, that's better. You can see, and I can see better. As you can see, it's dropped down. It's in this range. It's going top, bottom, bottom, like they all do. And now this is at the top. So let's take a look. We'll take a green one. It's time probably to take profit very soon as it's approaching that upper end of the Bollinger Band. Another cool thing to notice here is that it's also really strong, actually. Well above 50, it's at 61. You can see that number right there, 61. If it crosses over the 50 number, it's usually pretty strong. Around here, 70 is where it gets to be too powerful or oversold, overbought. And you're waiting for a reversal when it gets into this range as well. But also, you want to see this as well. We got all kinds of strength in this. I don't know why that's red. Why is that one red? There, no, it's green. There you go. There you go as well. You can see both those lines are well above the zero, and it's still turning bright green, which means the momentum is going. So I don't see it weakening. It could push up and one more time, I think it could hit 192. So if you're a swing trader, just outside of that Bollinger Band would be 192. As you can see, it doesn't usually hit outside of the Bollinger Band very often on the top side. So be wary. If it does pierce through it, take your profits. The most that it's spent is 1, 2, 3, 4 days right here outside of the top end of the Bollinger Band. So it tried to pierce here, rejected. It's going to try to pierce again, and then it'll reject. That's when you probably want to take profit in the next 2 days as it tries to take out the highs of 192, 193. So that's what I see here. Let's see what's going to move the stock actually on our board. So if earnings is coming up soon, I don't know actually. Let's take a look. CRM is the ticker symbol. August 23rd. So they do report the end of this month right here. We're expecting 1.2, which is a lot better than it's done in the last year. So we're expecting good things from it. Whether they do that for us or not is a different story. As of for today, we have 473 earnings. That's quite a bit. 13 stock splits, 72 economic events. Out of those economic events, what is going to move the needle for Salesforce? If we're taking a look here, EU, US, that's what we're looking for here. Mortgage rates, manufacturing, durable goods, manufacturing. Overall, I don't see a lot. Energy and infrastructure, crude. That's why crude is a little bit down today. So yeah, not a lot that's going to move Salesforce, a technology company, as you can see. So we got to go to news, see if there's a news catalyst here. We're just going to click on that. I don't see that there's much. You can see the CEO sells a lot in stock. That's never a good sign when the CEO sells their stock. Why did it rally? Stocks falls on Monday. So we got a lot of mixed bag, but this is the one that I would probably dive into, check insider trading, and figure out why he stole a whole bunch of stock as well. So could it just be that it's up? And that's probably the reason why, but got to dive into this deeper. All right, so let's see what's going to move the stock today, see if they had anything in the news with that. So with dumping of stock, it has actually gone higher. Oh, that's interesting. We're going to take the lows. We're going to take the highs of today. That's 190. It's in this range right here. Zooming on in. We're going to call the bottoms here for the day at 185. I think that's pretty strong. You can see that it went up, it bounced down, clearly rejected that onto the upside. So it's moved about $4 or $5 up. It's hit another, $1.50 up. I would say you're watching this very clearly as a top 190, 32, 35. Let's just call it 35. It's a gathering strength right now to pierce that top, and VWAP is its bottom, 187. So it's pretty clear to me that it is moving on its way to the upside. When you see the sideways action that is consolidating, it's going to start gathering some strength in this range. It could range for a little bit before trying another crack at this 190.35. So I'm going to say you're going to be in a range bound right here. 189, I see it's going to top out here a little bit, maybe even top out 189.75, and then drop back down to 188. This is where I probably find your dip buys for today. Even if you get low as 187, that's awesome. As it's gathering strength, trying to pierce that up there. That is what I got to say in the last 10 seconds. I got to fix a whole bunch of other stuff. Hopefully this triggers, and my tech is all working and all good. Yes! All right, with that said, I am gearing up to get Moy to daycare. Then I gotta go service the car, then come back and see if I can make some more money. Today is a positive day. Yoo-hoo! Finally, turning it around. Turn around every now and then I get a little bit lonely and the look. I don't know why I'm saying that. Anyways, I'm peacing out here. Don't peek at me, I'm changing. All right, everybody, enjoy. Peace out. I'm just gonna leave this here just so you guys can hear. All right, let's get some pants on. I do have pants on, just like pandemic times. Woohoo! All right. We're gonna get the moi. We're gonna get going. Socks, shoes. Supposedly it's a rainy day today. Not sure about that. But with that said, everybody, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is Wednesday, middle of the week. The markets, like anything, they're up and down, but they're still rallying. I kind of feel like this rally is gonna get overextended pretty soon. So I hate to say this, but you know, it could rally up further. I haven't seen any cracks yet. Nothing out. It's still every day marching little by little bit to the upside. I'll let you know when I start seeing cracks in the march up. But yeah, good luck. All right, that is good. I need to find wallet, keys, phone, wallet, phone, keys, mask, wallet, phone, keys, mask, wallet, phone, keys, mask, wallet, phone, keys, mask. Maybe drop the mask.